If you want a litter box that's going to stay clean and have reduced smells for an entire month before you simply have to dump it and start again, you are going to love this PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro litter box I was just gifted. At least that's what they promise. And in this video, I'm going to unbox this, set it up, and put it to the test. So let's check it out. Now, when you unbox it, this is how it's going to come. You have a really straightforward manual. You have the main litter box itself. This is where all of the smarts are, and it has this rake that's going to clean the litter that if you want to, you can actually pop out for easy cleaning, which is really nice and convenient. And the rest of the time that is just covered up. So it's a very nice, clean, almost standard size litter box, not too big. And then you have this waste cover. This really does just go on the posts where these notches are. And then when the rake cleans the litter, this will just tip up. Anything dirty will go under it and it will tip back down. Really clean. But what makes this so special is that the litter comes in this cardboard box. So at the end of the month, you can just dump this entire box. It comes with the crystal litter, and crystal litter is very cool in that it actually absorbs all of the odors and dehydrates everything, just making everything smell a little less gross. And then when the month is up, it actually has the cover. And so you'll just cover that up and you can dump this whole box in your trash and start over. This may seem wasteful, but it's actually no more wasteful than your standard litter that you're dumping daily. Because it's crystal, it actually lasts a lot longer. And most of this is just cardboard, so it's not really a big deal. It has a little bit of metal that will magnetically connect once we put it together. And then of course it has the litter itself. And then if you want to, this actually comes with a hood that you can just pop right on, keeping everything out of sight. So if your cat is open to having a hooded box, a smaller opening, this is a great way to keep everything even more contained and out of sight, out of mind for that month until the box alert you that it's time to change the tray. Let's set it up the rest of the way. Now I'm coming in close up so we can do the full setup. I first want to point out that I wasn't looking when I put this in the first time, and I noticed that this was actually off kilter. So when you put this piece in, you do want to make sure it pops in all the way. And when it is fully popped in, it will be level, and your cat can step on this part and on this part. It's only going to lift if you pull up from the bottom, which is something your cat probably won't be doing. So that is nice and clean. And when I plug it in, we'll check out this element. And I just want to show you the underside of this real quick here, as this is where we'll be putting in the litter tray. And the only real standout piece is that it does have magnets that connect to the tray that help it tip up to collect everything dirty within the cardboard tray. And then you can see that rake. Really clean and simple design overall. And I do find that often the simplest designs are the most successful. So I am looking forward to putting this to the test. Now here is the disposable litter tray. So to get it ready, all I need to do is add the crystal litter. And the concept here is really nice in that you'll be getting a new tray with new litter every time. So you just replace this entire element each time. You never have to scoop this box. It's super straightforward. So now all we're gonna do is put the exterior right over that tray. And I can feel it. It immediately snapped into place. So now this is magnetically attached to that cardboard. So when this goes up, it's pulling up that cardboard as well. So all of the solid waste is actually going to get tucked in to a closed pocket within the cardboard tray. Now at this time, I could add the cover. And I'll tell you right now that I really appreciate that this is an optional cover, as my cat probably will not like this smaller opening. So for my cat, I will keep it open. And I, again, do love that. This is a really nice, large open box that your cat can jump in and out of from any side, making it very convenient for them. Let's plug it in. Now the plug is actually on the underside of the entire box. So I'm gonna get that in there. And now it is plugged in, and I see it's already lighting up here. Now this light is actually telling you the life of your tray. If it's blue, it's correctly installed and it has been in use for fewer than 50 rake cycles. As it starts to get soiled, it will go yellow and then it will go red. And when it's red fast blinking, that means the tray is incorrectly installed or there's something wrong and you need to fix it. And if it's slow blinking, that means it's been in use for over 119 rake cycles and it's not going to clean it anymore until you replace the tray. So basically, slow red blinking means replace the tray. Fast red blinking means you installed it wrong. And this right here is your health counter, or basically your rake counter. Every time it cleans, that's going to count up. So it gives you an idea, if you're paying attention, on how often your pet is using it. Now, I thought this would use the PetSafe app. I have another litter box that uses the PetSafe app, but this doesn't use an app at all. Between the counter and the manual clean, that's all you have. It will automatically clean every 20 minutes after a cat uses it, and those 20 minutes are a specific time frame to let the crystals do their work, dehydrating solids and any liquids before it does its raking. So very, very simple in concept. That's actually really quite nice. It's different for me to come across an automatic box that doesn't have an app, but I do have a lot of people that ask me for boxes that don't require apps, and this one doesn't require one. So let's see how it cleans first. So I'll just press this button. And that's it. Really, really fast, really nice and simple. And it's already counting up. We now have 1 on the dial. If for any reason you're using this with a kitten, you will want to have it unplugged until your cat is large enough. The basic recommendation is wait 6 months, but it's great to start this out with a kitten just so they're used to this. Now I'm gonna test it with just some seeds from a tree in my backyard and some water with food coloring in it. And one thing that's very interesting about crystal litter is that you can hear that it actually sizzles a little bit as it's absorbing all of the liquids. So these are going to absorb, and I should give it 20 minutes. I'm gonna give it 10 minutes and come back and run this. Okay, it's been 10 minutes. Let's see how well it cleans all of this up. This cleans remarkably quickly. I love that it tucked everything away. Now this again is the style of litter. This is intentional. So over the course of a month, it will become more discolored. That is normal. And it really does just feel and look and should smell totally fine for your cat for the entire month. So even though they're stepping on discolored litter that's been used before, it should be totally fine. Now my cat definitely does not need to use a litter box right now, so he's a little annoyed at me, but I just want to show you what it looks like with a cat inside it. This is my 14-pound ragdoll, and he has plenty of space in here. He can definitely move around, and he can jump out in whichever direction he wants. I do like that crystal litter doesn't track very much, just the slightest bit came out on the floor. So that part's really nice. And I do love that you can have it open, which is what I would do for my cat, as I know he will not use this if I put the cover on. But if your kitty's fine with it, you can put the hood on, and that's gonna keep it looking a lot more aesthetically pleasing. Now, overall, I think this is a really fantastic, more accessible automatic litter box. It's going to feel for your cat very similar to their manual box, and that's going to be really nice for a lot of cats, especially the pickier cats that can't handle the drum boxes. It does take a little bit of training for some cats to get comfortable with those boxes. And I really, really like that this is a scoop-free box that you really can set and forget for 30 days. There are very few automatic boxes that you can say that for. Most boxes, the drawer will fill up in 2 weeks or get really, really gross. Just with the style, the liquids are still in all the things that go into that dirty drawer, so it can grow its own little life in that drawer and become even smellier if you don't empty it. Whereas with this design and with the crystal litter, you're not going to have that issue since the crystal litter is dehydrating everything before it tucks it away. And I will be very curious about smell, as crystal litter is supposed to be better with smell, but this doesn't have any sort of deodorizer. So if there is a smell issue, you may want to have some sort of deodorizer nearby if you find that's an issue for you. Now, while I love the simplicity of this, and I love that you don't actually need an app for it, I do wish it gave you the option to connect it to the app, as I would love just a little more control here. I would love to be able to control these lights when they're on and when this runs. So if you were in a studio apartment or somewhere else where you can't tuck this out of sight, out of mind, maybe you don't want it to run at nighttime when you're sleeping. Maybe you don't want that light on at nighttime, or maybe it's in your office and you don't want it to run when you're on your work calls. And if I could schedule that with an app, that would be really convenient. It may also be nice to have programmed scheduling on when it cleans, but given the design of the litter, I understand that the 20 minutes is a standard wait time. So that makes sense to me. And the final piece I really like is that I have tested another box that's very similar to this, and I love that this one allows me to remove this rake for easy cleaning. Overall, this box is designed to be the easiest automatic box that you will ever come across. It is the easiest to clean, the easiest to set up and forget about, and it should be the most cat friendly. There is a lot to love about this box, and it should also be much more affordable than the standard drum boxes that I'm sure you've seen many of. So if you're looking for a more affordable, still expensive, but more affordable automatic litter box that really is simple for you and inviting for your kitty, this may be exactly what you're looking for. I am very impressed with the PetSafe ScoopFree Crystal Pro, and I think you're going to be as well.